It's midnight. You've turned off the lights. You've fluffed the pillow. You've closed your eyes. But instead of drifting into sleep, your mind is racing. You toss and turn. You check the clock, it's already 2 a.m. And when morning finally comes, you wake up tired, groggy, and frustrated. Does this sound familiar? For millions of seniors, falling asleep and staying asleep has become one of the biggest challenges of aging. But what if I told you that the answer might not be in another pill, but in a simple spice, something you probably already have in your kitchen? Before we dive in, let me remind you, if you want to learn simple, natural tips for senior health, energy, and independence, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a video. Now, let's discover the spoonful of spice that can help you finally say good night and mean it. Why sleep gets harder with age. After 60, sleep changes. The body produces less melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. Muscles and joints ache more, making it hard to find a comfortable position. Stress and worries tend to surface at night, keeping the mind busy. The result? Seniors often get stuck in a cycle of poor sleep, daytime fatigue, and even higher risk of memory loss, falls, and weaker immunity. But here's the good news. You can reset your sleep naturally with the help of one spice. The secret is nutmeg. Yes, that warm aromatic spice you sprinkle on pies or hot drinks can actually help your body relax and drift into deeper sleep. Why? Because nutmeg contains natural compounds called myristicin and magnesium, which have calming effects on the nervous system. These help reduce anxiety, relax muscles, and support the natural release of melatonin. For centuries, nutmeg has been used in traditional medicine as a sleep aid, and modern science is now catching up. How one spoonful helps. Here's the beauty of nutmeg. You don't need much. Just one small spoon of ground nutmeg in warm milk, tea, or even sprinkled on fruit before bed can calm your nervous system, relax tense muscles, lower nighttime stress, support natural melatonin production. The result? Instead of tossing and turning, you fall asleep faster, and your sleep becomes deeper and more restorative. A nightly routine with nutmeg. Imagine this. After dinner, you prepare a small warm drink, milk, almond milk, or chamomile tea. You stir in a spoon of nutmeg. The aroma fills the room, calming your senses. You sip slowly, feeling warmth in your body. By the time you get into bed, your eyelids feel heavier, your muscles softer, and sleep comes naturally. No pills, no complicated rituals. Just one spoon of a simple spice. Extra benefits for seniors. Nutmeg doesn't just help with sleep, it offers other senior-friendly benefits. Improves digestion, reducing nighttime bloating that can keep you awake. Supports circulation, keeping your body relaxed. Contains antioxidants that protect brain cells, supporting memory and cognitive health. It's like a small spice with a big package of benefits for aging gracefully. Safety and how much to use now. One important note: moderation matters. Nutmeg is powerful, so you only need about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon at night. Too much can cause side effects. The key is consistency, not quantity. A small amount regularly is safe and effective for seniors. Why this works better than pills? Many seniors rely on sleeping pills, but here's the problem. They can cause dependence. They may leave you groggy in the morning. They don't improve the quality of sleep, only the quantity. Nutmeg, on the other hand, works with your body's natural rhythms. It gently encourages your own melatonin and calming hormones to do their job. That means sleep feels natural, not forced. Other spices that help, while nutmeg is the star. There are other spices that can also support better sleep. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, preventing nighttime awakenings. Turmeric reduces inflammation, easing joint pain at night. Cardamom calms the digestive system, helping relaxation. But nutmeg remains the most powerful for directly promoting natural sleep. Think back to those nights when you lay in bed, wide awake, staring at the ceiling. The frustration, the endless tossing and turning, the clock ticking louder with every passing hour. Now imagine instead, you finish your evening with a warm nutmeg-infused drink. You slide into bed, and your eyes close naturally. You wake up the next morning rested, refreshed, and ready for the day. This simple spoon of spice can make that difference. So seniors, remember this. You don't need complicated solutions for better sleep. Sometimes, the answer is already in your kitchen. Try adding a spoon of nutmeg to your nightly routine this week. Give your body the gift of natural, restorative sleep. Because sleep isn't just about rest, it's about healing, memory, and energy for the life you want to live. Remember, just watching won't change your nights. You need to try it. So tonight, add that spoon of nutmeg to your bedtime routine. And if you want the exact brand I recommend, the link is waiting for you right here in the description. Before you go, tell me in the comments, will you try nutmeg tonight, or do you already use another spice for sleep? In the next video, we'll show you, seniors beware, 9 popular medications that trigger rapid dementia. It's going to be eye-opening, and I promise you, you don't want to miss it. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next senior health tip, because your best years deserve your best nights of sleep. Sleep well, live better. Until next video.